But it was just one of many unforgettable moments from the Worlds Collide Tour that gave us chills. We went through all our footage, and today, we're counting down our top 10 most emotional moments. Coming in at number 10. There's a unique magic when thousands of people become one. During If Only, the entire arena lit up, and it felt like we were all singing under a sea of stars. Number 9 is a moment we caught by surprise. As Freya and Malachi were singing Dreams Come True, we looked over and saw this dad holding his daughter on his shoulders, giving her the best view in the house. This is what it's all about. For number 8, the final goodbye. You could feel the energy and emotion as the show came to an end. It wasn't just a bow, it was a celebration.
It's how tonight is a night we're going to remember forever. So I want you to all grab onto the person that you came here with and remember this, because I know I will.
Number 7 is a promise. At the start of this song, Joshua set the tone for the entire night. And he was right. You see some crazy things at concerts, but our number 6 moment was an incredible act of trust between a performer and a fan. Coming in at number 5, the friendship between the performers felt so real. You could especially see it during this beautiful duet. As parents, number 4 was a personal one for us. Hearing your own child sing her heart out, completely lost in the moment, there's no better feeling. Our number 3 moment proves that in a crowd of thousands, you can still have a connection that feels like it was just for you. Our number 2 moment wasn't just a performance, it was a story. The chemistry between Freya and Malachi during Someday was undeniable, and it was the small, unscripted moments that made it perfect. And that brings us to our number 1 most emotional moment, the one that started it all for our channel. This is the moment a little girl's dream came true. Those were our top 10 moments. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you love the Descendants or Disney and want to see more moments like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.